How to verify Paysafe account? Log into your Paysafe account on their official website. Access the account settings or profile section of your account. Look for the option labeled verify account or something similar. Provide requested personal information accurately as required for verification. Submit necessary identification documents such as passport or driver's license. Ensure the documents match the details provided in your account. Review and confirm the submission of your account documents. Wait for Paysafe to review and verify your identification. Check your email or account notification for verification status updates. Follow any additional instructions provided to complete the verification process. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.